Alright guys, so we've been asked in the past, I'm a poet, so we've been asked in the past by some of the subscribers, how can we donate or how can we support your channel? And I wanted to wait till we had, you know, numbers. I wanted to wait till, you know, you guys knew that, you know, we like doing what we do and we like making, you know, the YouTube videos, we like putting them out there, we like showing you Angeles City, we like showing you the people of the Philippines. We like showing you the Philippines, you know, and what, you know, what the Philippines is all about, and you know what Angeles City is all about, and besides, you know, the walking street. And like I said, we wanted to wait. I wanted to wait, and I think now's a good time. You know, we have over 10,000 subscribers. We have over 3.1 million views. But like I said, people have been asking, how can we donate it? How can we donate to your channel? How can we support your channel? So now we've recently opened up a Patreon account. If you're not familiar with what a Patreon account is set up for people to support a channel, whether it's, you know, YouTube vlogging channel, a, you know, a how-to channel, a music channel, an art channel, things like that. You know, things that people enjoy, and people that want to donate and support the channel, they can now do that. If you go on the page Philly in the Philippines, and up top where, you know, my name says Philly in the Philippines, in the right hand corner you'll see a little Patreon. If you click that Patreon, it'll bring you up to a page, and on that page just follow the directions. There goes the blue guy. You can follow the directions, and you know, it'll say you want to, if you want to pledge $1 a month, $5 a month, $10 a month, $25 a month, $50 a month. You can even make like a one-time donation. But each donation, each pledge has certain things. You know, with dollar pledge, you know, it's just no rewards. Just me thanking you for supporting the channel. With a $5 pledge, we'll give you a shout out in the next video. We'll mention your name and thank you for supporting the channel. With $10 a month, I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Also, I'll do a video of whatever you want up here in Angeles City, as long as it's legal and it doesn't jeopardize my life or my well-being. In other words, what I mean is, if you tell me, hey, I'm going to donate $10 a month, I want you to go into bars, and that's not going to happen, because first of all, you can't film in there. Second of all, I value my life, and but you know what I'm getting at. At $25 a month, I'll do like a 1 hour Skype session with you where you can ask me any questions about anything you want. And that's once it's a $25 pledge for the month, but and that's per session. But yeah, if you want to, you know, pledge $25 to the channel, I'll do a 1 hour Skype session with you, and you can discuss anything you want with me. And you know, I'll sit here and answer every question I can. Remember, I'm not an expert on the Philippines. I can only give you what I know and my own life here in the Philippines, and what I've learned, and what I've discovered on my own. If you pledge $50 a month, if you come here, well, first of all, you'll get the $25 pledge also on top of that. I'll do a 1 hour Skype session with you. Plus, if you come to Angeles City, I'll be your tour guide for the day. I'll take you wherever you want to go. Walking Street, Fields Avenue, Clark Air Force Base, the Wet Market, the Apple Market, downtown Angeles City. Anywhere you want to go, I'll take you out. I'll be your personal tour guide for the day. But yeah, those are the pledges right there. But it's up to you. Like I said, you can do a one-time pledge. You can pledge monthly, where it will continue to be a monthly pledge. If you say, hey, can you take my pledge and go out and get Liberty some toys or food, or we'll do that. Whatever you want your pledge money to go to, I'll also do that also. But anyways, like I said, I wanted to hold off until, you know, until the channel got bigger. We don't need the money to pay our bills. We don't need the money to buy food, groceries. We don't need money to support the store, you know, to buy product in the store, to pay our electric, our rent. The store self-supports itself. We're doing fine without it. We don't need money for cigarettes. I don't smoke. I'm not going to ask you to pledge money for alcohol. Lut's not going to sling her hair around and, you know, beg for money.
Really?
You know, we're not here to beg for money. There's a word people use, oh, it's e-begging. You know what? I don't consider e-begging, because we're not begging for your money to live here in the Philippines. We're asking if you want to donate and pledge to our channel monthly, and it would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, there it is. I mean, there is the way you guys, like I said, if you want to pledge to our channel, pledge. And if you do, we greatly appreciate it. If you don't, we're not going to stop making videos. We'll keep on pumping them out. But anyways, there it is, guys.
Yeah.